Hi, if you're new here, this is a series of how to get through the loss of a loved one through my own personal journey. Today we are going to see about anger. Generally, like you feel angry on the person whom you lost, or else on your own self, on the person whom you lost because you feel that they put only they put you in the situation which is so overwhelming for you, and they did not listen to you, or if they would have listened to you, this situation wouldn't have happened, and your family is entirely shattered only because of like this more questions in your mind which is not answered by anyone. So naturally you become angry on that person, or else on the higher power, on your own family members. You think that they could have done it better, but the thing is, even they didn't know that this was going to happen. Just like you, if you would have known that this is going to happen, you would have acted like little more kinder, aren't you? Isn't that the same case for your family members too? So, being angry on each other during this situation is not going to help anyone. So, you need to like support each other at this moment. And sometimes you're angry on your own self because you feel like you could have done it a little more better to save them, or like you could have just been more kind to them when they were with you. These things, just like how I said for family members, you didn't know that this is what going to happen. So just stop being hard on yourself. There is already a big hard thing upon you, and just don't be so hard on yourself adding up to that. So just let the emotion flow. That's all you can do right now. And when you're feeling angry on yourself, just compare yourself to someone who did a terrible job than you in their relationship. So it will make you feel better. Yeah, comparison is not good for your mind, but it does do the trick, at least for quite a while, at least now. So just do it. And when you're angry on the person who died, is so silly because it was not their choice. You do know that. It's just your mind doing the trick. So just support each other during this moment, and try to remember that you have done a better job than others, many others out there, and it was not their choice. They didn't choose to leave you, it just happened. Just be kind to your own self and to others, which is so tough at this moment because we feel angry as a secondary emotion to sadness and fear. And anger is more accepted in our society than sadness and fear. So, like naturally, by subconsciously, we're trained to that, and we express some emotion as anger. It's better. It's better than not expressing. Is much better. Just express it, but try to find out the root cause for it. Why are you angry? Then you'll find out that it's because of the sadness and fear. And remember that you are in the stages. Personally, I went through anger stage, but it was not a huge stage. It was like among the stages which I went through, it is like so minimal. I don't know what's the case for you, but whatever stage you're going through, it is just moving forward until you reach the acceptance. So let the emotion sink. That's it. The next video is about depression. We shall discuss about anything and everything about it, and I'll just try to give solutions which I did for my own self, and it did work out, and that's why I'm talking about it. So we shall see that, and till that you can check out my book where the characters go through their own loss of their loved one, and it will inspire to get through your own loss. I'll add the link in my description.